How to make honey and cinnamon biscuits. Equipment: weighing scales, a wooden spoon, a teaspoon, measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, a baking tray. Ingredients: 100 grams of soft butter, 100 grams of sugar, 1 egg yolk, 180 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 large tablespoon of honey. Method: Number 1. Beat the soft butter and sugar in a bowl with a wooden spoon until creamy. Number 2. Next, beat in the honey and the egg yolk. Number 3. Add the cinnamon and flour and mix until a soft dough. Number 4. Grease your baking tray. Number 5. Take a teaspoon of dough and roll it into a ball. Number 6. Keep going until you have made 30 biscuits. Number 7. An adult needs to put them in the oven. 165 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Number 8. Leave the biscuits to cool. Ta-da! We made the yummy biscuits!